Okay.
So let me give you a quick overview about the technology background of video conferencing and how it became what you see right now here as a telepresence solution.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say some 15 years ago, when video conferencing came to broader large companies, that means when it came out of the laboratories, out of the pure government use where money wasn't that important to take care of, just about all connections that were used had to use lots of electronic boxes, and these boxes of course were large. Nowadays we would say very slow and very expensive. The lines that these video conferencing equipment used were so-called ISDN or digital telephone lines.
Yes.
To have the bandwidth that is necessary to see the body language and to understand the voice in a clear way,
Mm-hmm.
you had to use at least 6 telephone ISDN lines for one connection to each other,
Mm-hmm.
which brought you some high telephone cost, high communication cost for video conference at that time.
Yes.
Since that time, just about every video conference shifted away from ISDN
Mm-hmm.
to the TCP/IP area. That
Mm-hmm.
means to the network time, to internet time, if you want to say it like that.
Mm-hmm.
TCP, the technology that is used in the global internet.
Yes.
Nowadays, it is totally different. You have, of course, an investment in the solution,
Mm-hmm.
but actually the bandwidth in most places of the world, I don't want to say every place, but in most places of the world,
Mm-hmm.
especially of course in larger areas, larger population areas, is no more a cost question. Because nowadays, wherever you make your business, wherever you have your office, anyhow you have to have an internet connection. It doesn't help at all. You can't really work nowadays without internet.
True.
And so we now talk about having an investment into infrastructure
Mm-hmm.
and having bandwidth in the internet that is available for video conference.
Mm-hmm.
The connection that we use right now is using our own internal network,
Mm-hmm.
using 4 megabit of bandwidth. If you have your remote control in front of you,
Yes.
you could probably take it
Mm-hmm.
and press the 0 button twice, the number 0
Yes.
times. When
Yes.
you do that,
Yes.
you see a so-called communication machine status that says what is the address, what
Mm-hmm.
is the audio mode, what is the video mode, and what is the bandwidth, the rate.
Mm-hmm.
You should
Mm-hmm.
see a number
Yes.
that says we are now using some 3.8 megabyte
Mm-hmm. Yes.
bandwidth for the connection that we have.
I do.
We
That's
have
true.
some-
Mm-hmm.
We have some 60 frames per second
Mm-hmm.
using high definition 720 mode. That means actually we could also have a higher resolution. We
Mm-hmm.
could use the so-called 1080 resolution, but you will not see so much difference on that.
Mm-hmm.
If you press the return button twice on the remote control, which is just under this direction circle on the left side under the volume,
Under the
press
right.
return twice,
Mm-hmm. Did I?
then we see each other again.
Ah. Or maybe it's this one. No.
Okay.
Then.
So the point is
Yes.
that using, in our case, 4 megabit of bandwidth
Yes.
already
Okay.
gives us an extreme good image. And of course, if you have some 6 or 8 megabit,
Yes.
you even have higher resolution on that and
Mm-hmm.
even more vivid images than we have it right now.
Okay.
So,
So yes. Go ahead.
so it's not a question of communication costs
Mm-hmm.
per minute,
Mm-hmm.
because this bandwidth is either available
Mm-hmm.
or can be bought very cheap nowadays.
Okay.